Alright, so I'm kind of tired of a couple things here. One of them is this. This thing peeling up. Yeah. That's annoying, and I know somebody is going to absolutely hate me for doing this. But yeah, so okay, from down there it's pretty ugly, right? Yeah, when are you ever going to see down there? Total win. So the other thing is, the glove box latch here is broken and missing. That's the other thing I gotta fix. So I grabbed this thing off of a car at the junkyard, and it'll go right in that latch like that, and then that releases it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut all that excess crap off because it looks ugly. I'm gonna do this with the camera off. So that 80s plastic has a smell to it. It really does. But I cut all that stuff off out of the way. And now I think the plan is I'm gonna screw this to whatever plastic is remaining here, and then bend it down as needed until it latches into this thing. So I've put these bolts on here, and I'm gonna like slide them up into that like this, and then tighten them down, and then we'll see. Okay, new plan. I'm going to make a metal plate 3 inches wide to screw it to the plastic there, and that'll give me something solid all the way across to screw this to, because these bolts just keep slipping out and not holding solid. Off the edges real good, and it's hot. So we'll put the metal plate here right? And screw it to the sides. Can't really get a good angle on it. Like that. And then we can screw this piece to the metal plate. Alright, so this is what I've come up with so far. And then that'll just screw in there with those two holes. Alright, have a look at this. Perfect. I can get this thing off of here that the previous owner had put on to keep the glove box closed. Maybe I'll be able to sand that a little bit or something and get it to go away mostly. We'll see. That wraps it up for this video. Now we've got the radio working. We've got the glove box opens and closes properly. And this thing's not hanging down anymore. And like from any feasible angle, you're never gonna see those screws. So, see you in the next one.